Have you ever wondered how a container travels from a factory in China all the way to your warehouse in the United States? Today, I will walk you through the entire journey step by step. Everything begins at the factory. Your goods are produced, packed, labeled, and prepared for export. A trucking company collects the cargo. It is loaded into a container at the factory or sent to a nearby warehouse for stuffing. Once sealed, the container receives a unique number that will follow it around the world. Next, the container travels by truck to the nearest port. In China, this could be Shanghai, Ningbo, Shenzhen, Qingdao, or Xiamen. At the port, the container is checked in. Weighing, scanning, and customs review happen automatically. The container is then stacked in the export yard. Giant cranes load it onto a massive ocean vessel. This is where the real journey begins. The ship leaves China and crosses the Pacific Ocean. It may stop in Korea, Japan, or Taiwan. The crossing to the United States takes about 10 to 20 days. When the ship arrives in the U.S., it enters a major port such as Los Angeles, Long Beach, Oakland, Seattle, Houston, Savannah, or New York. The container is unloaded and placed in the import yard. Now the U.S. part begins. A customs broker files the import entry. If everything is correct, the container is released. A drayage truck picks up the container from the terminal and drives it to your warehouse or distribution center. You break the seal, unload the goods, and the driver returns the empty container to the port before detention fees start. That is how a container moves from a factory in China to your warehouse in the United States. A global chain of trucks, cranes, ships, and logistics teams working together. This is AirSeaExplained. Subscribe for more insights about aviation, shipping, and logistics.